Okay, welcome guys. Today we want to talk about how to change your video background in CapCut, alright? Video editing. Okay, welcome guys. Today we want to talk about how to change your video background in CapCut, alright? Video editing is not that difficult. It's just for you to be ready to learn. Once you are ready to learn, video editing is not difficult. So today, okay, mount your camera on a tripod, alright? For steady video. Record the video you want to use for this tutorial, okay? After recording it now, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project. Import your video to workspace now. At this point, make sure the background you want to use for this video is ready. As you import it now, you click on it now. Then you click on it. Then you go and look for freeze, alright? But make sure the background is ready. When you import it to workspace, what you are going to be doing now is to click on it. And you go and look for freeze, alright? Click on freeze as you locate freeze now, right? Click on freeze, then click it and drag it. Drag it and make it longer, okay, to the duration of your video. And you come back and click overlay, click add overlay, import your video to workspace now, right? So import it. You want to expand it a bit. Look at what I did. You expand it a bit. Then you go to the ending part of the video and trim out or cut out the unwanted part because it's too long. I cut it and I delete that part. So at this point you come back. You want to be clicking on the video, the second layer, the overlay video you bring in, which is the main character. So you click it, you go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, auto removal. Allow it to remove completely. You can see the effect is applying. Just exercise patient as it apply fully. Allow it to remove completely. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. If you like what we are doing or you are enjoying this tutorial, why not give us thumbs up? Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay? We are still on removing background. Welcome to the tutorial. So look at it. It has removed completely. Mark on that good and go back. Now look at your video. Your video is almost ready. Just go and click on the background now, then expand it to bring that chair closer. Then you make the character sit on top of the chair. Click here as well, expand it, bring it closer. Then you click on the overlay video, then you make the character sit on the chair. Look at it now. So at this point now, you can see that our background had been changed successfully. All you need to do now is just take your time and do the necessary adjustments so that you'll be sure that there is no error. That is not noticeable, alright? You come down, you do your necessary adjustments like I am doing. You can see me doing my adjustments. Then at the end of adjusting it now, the next thing we are going to be doing, you can see that the character is too dark. We want to make it sharp, alright? So we are going to be adding color to it, right? But that will be after our adjustment, alright? Then you come now and click on the video. Then we want to add some colors to the video so that we make it bright, alright? That is the next thing now. So you come back now and click on this overlay video right now. As you play it now, look at it. There is no, you do your necessary corrections. Then you click on the video now so that will add some colors. You go and look for adjust. So click it, go and locate adjust now. Alright. Click on adjust now. Look at brightness there, click it. You can add like 10 or 7, alright. You can see now that the character has becoming bright. Contrast, add it as well. Add saturation, alright. Then you add sharpen and all that. all these color effects here, add them, but don't add it too much. Don't add it under. Make sure you're watching your video to make everything right. If you are done, you come to the background as well. Click on the background. Go and look for adjust as well. Look for adjust also. Click on adjust. Click on brightness. Brighten your background. Look at, you can see immediately you touch it, you will see that it will be bright, but it should not be overexposed. It should not be too sharp. All right. Put it minimal. Contrast. Do the same thing as well. Now what we are doing is color adjustment. We want to make the video more brighter. We don't want it to be dark as it is at the first time. All right, so you take time here, add your colors. As you can see me adding my colors. If you are done, all right, look at this one. You want to go and click on the other one too. All right, after adding it here, remember you have double background because you freezed it. Click on the freeze part as well. Do the same thing you did to the first one. Follow the same number so that the color of the video will rhyme, so that this one will not be different, the other one different. So you add them 7 7 8 8 10 10 as the case may be, depending on your video, depending on what you want to achieve. All right, then you come down, you are adding your colors. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. All right, so look at it. You can see how I am adding it. All right, this is how to change the background of your video. Okay, at this point, our background had been changed successfully. All right, you can see it now. Our background had been changed successfully. You can see our video playing now. So at this point, what will be remaining on this video is to add your other effects. All right, your other effects you want to add your write-ups and all that and all that. Then after that, now you can now export your video to your gallery and then share it to your social media handles. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add them, I want you to put me through. Don't worry, we have got you covered. My number is at the description of this video. Go and DM me so that I'll put you through on how to add all your text, other effects. Then after that, you can export your video. But you should remember you use auto remove BG, which is a pro features. So if you try to export this video now, you cannot be able to export it because you use auto pro features, which is auto remove BG. But don't worry, we have got you covered on that as well. In one of my videos there, I've recorded on how to use CapCut Pro features for free. Go and watch that video. Then you come back and learn and know how you will export this your video successfully. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. If this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, don't forget to give us thumbs up if you are enjoying these tutorials. Okay, until I come your way again, thanks for watching. Stay safe.